Okay, while we were away, we were baking the lobster in the oven. You can see
Finished
how
product right there.
yummy it looks. We put it in at what temperature?
I put it on broil for like 10 minutes or whatever. But like I'm gonna put this one right here in the pasta. I'm gonna do these ones. I'm gonna probably eat that one, probably gonna half that one. And we're gonna put these two in the pasta.
Okay, and while those were baking, I was making the homemade Alfredo. So I boiled some linguine, and then when it was done, we put in.
Look at that bitch.
We put in some butter, some cream cheese, some half and half, garlic salt, pepper, and Parmesan. And you can see it's nice and creamy.
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter. Right now he's chopping up the lobster to put in the pasta. And in a few minutes we'll be showing you the finished product. And here you see the final product of the lobster Alfredo. Okay, test it.
I had to test it?
Yeah, bon appetit. How is it?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's good.
Are you being modest?
Nah, it's good. It's good.